Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. Okay, so now we will continue on mathematics of valuations, but today we will focus on depreciation. So depreciation in Bahasa Melayu we call it as susut nilai or obsolescence. Okay, so that's the depreciation. Now here we will calculate on the depreciation. Susut nilai, alright? Alright, so in this session, okay, so we will learn, okay, to calculate the amount of depreciation or depreciation value. Okay, so after this, we will calculate on the depreciation value based on the depreciation rate given for plants and machineries. So after this, we're gonna learn on to calculate depreciation value. Okay, for plant and machineries. Okay, however, here the depreciation rates are given. Okay, so for your information, how to get the depreciation rates. Okay, kadar susut nilai. So the depreciation rates actually is we need to refer to the aspect. For example, if you want um, to know on the depreciation rate of the machines on certain machines, okay, so you need to ask the experts on that particular machines. Okay, so they will know better. Okay, so what is the percentage, the rate of the depreciations, okay, based on the use of the machine itself. Okay, if the machine is heavily used, okay, maybe the depreciation rate is quite high. However, we as a valuer, okay, if you want to value the depreciation rate, you need to ask the expert. All right, okay. So here we also learn on how to calculate the age of the machines at certain value. For example, okay, so you buy the machine today and you want to know, okay, the age, okay, of the machines, okay, when it reach the certain value. Okay, all right. Okay, so next one, okay, we will look on the formula. Alright, so the formula is D is the depreciation value. Okay, P is the price. Okay, so depreciation value equal to price time 1 minus I is the depreciation rate, power of N is years. Okay, so D is the depreciation value equal to P, price of the machines, 1 minus I is the depreciation rates, and power of N is years. Okay, so here, okay, D depreciation value, P purchase price, okay, I depreciation rate. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate the depreciation value. Okay, so let's look on the example 1. Okay, a construction company purchased a brand new machine for 1 million. Okay, assuming the depreciation rate is at 10% per annum. So calculate the value of the machine after 8 years of usage. Okay, so now, okay, you are required to calculate, okay, a machine's, okay, after 8 years of usage. Okay, so that particular machine was bought at 1 million. Okay, and the depreciation rate is at 10% per annum. So we recap back on the formula. D depreciation value equal to P times 1 minus I power of N. Okay, so here, okay, so D equal to P. P is the price kan. Okay, so the price is 1 millions. So times with 1 minus I1 minus 0.10, which is the 10% depreciation rates, power of 8 years. Okay. Alright, so just calculate this first. You need to settle on the, calculate the 1 minus I first and then power of 8. Okay. So then times with 1 million. Okay, it's not 1,000, it's 1 million. Okay. So the depreciation value is 430,500 ringgit. So we can conclude here that, okay, with 8 years of usage of 1 million's cost of machine, okay, with the depreciation rate at 10%, okay, so it worth 430,500 ringgit after 8 years of usage. Okay, so this is how to calculate on the depreciation value. Okay, the value of the machines after 8 years of usage. Okay. Alright, so let's look at next examples. Example 2. Okay, the same situation, but this one is if you are required to calculate the year or age of the machine when it works on the certain value. Okay, for examples, on these situations, okay, a construction company purchased a brand new machine for 1 million, assuming the depreciation rate is at 10% per annum. So at what year will the machine be worth a value of 430,500 ringgit? Okay, so this one is the opposite situations. Okay, previously it's given 8 years and then you need to calculate the value. But now value is given but you need to calculate the age or the year um, of the machines, okay, with this value. Alright, so recap back the formula. Okay, so this is how to calculate. So first, you put the value here because it is D is given, okay, which is 430,500 ringgit. Okay, so P also given. Okay, you just insert, okay, the information into the formula, okay, like this. Okay, the things that we do not know here is N, okay, years. Okay, so because it is power of N, so we need to use log. Alright, so now, okay, bring down the 1 millions, okay, to the next side. So we need to divide lah. We divide for 430,500 with 1 million. So you just divide and it is equal to 0.4305. Okay, so another side is 0.9 power of N. Okay, to make it N, so you need to use log. So here log 0.9N. Okay, so here also we need to use log. Log 0.4305. So now how to get N? So you just bring, okay, log 0.9 to another side, to the left side. Okay, so if you move to the left side, so you need to divide. Alright, so then just divide log 0.4306 with log 0.9. Okay, so it will equal to 8 years. Okay, so this is the situation whereby we want to find N. Okay, we want to find years. Okay, because it's not given. Okay, so you need to remember back, if you want to bring, okay, the right side to the left side, so it will oppose situation. So here you can see, okay, when we move to the another side. Alright, okay, so this is actually how to get 0.9 is actually 1 minus 0.10. Alright, Okay, so the 0.305 is come from the 430,500 divided with 1 million. Okay, and you will get 8 years. Okay, so this is also you can use in order to counter check your calculation. All right. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.